The human body is a marvel, a complex and intricate system that continues to amaze scientists and laypeople alike. It is a testament to millions of years of evolution, a process that has shaped us into the beings we are today. Each part of our body, from our bones to our brains, tells a story of adaptation and survival. This story is about our journey through time, a journey marked by significant milestones and evolutionary leaps. It is a journey that began in the primordial soup, where the first simple life forms emerged, and has led to the complex organisms we are today. Our bodies are constantly changing, evolving to meet new challenges and adapt to different environments. They adapt to new challenges and environments, ensuring our survival in a constantly changing world. This adaptation is driven by natural selection, a process that favors traits beneficial for survival and reproduction. Natural selection favors traits that help us survive and reproduce, passing these advantageous traits to future generations. Over time, these traits become more common in the population, shaping the course of our evolution. Some parts of our bodies are vestiges of our evolutionary past, remnants of structures that were once crucial for our ancestors. These are structures that were once useful to our ancestors, like the appendix or wisdom teeth. However, they are no longer essential for our survival, yet they remain as fascinating reminders of our evolutionary journey. These vestigial structures offer fascinating clues about our evolutionary history, helping us understand where we come from. In this essay, we will delve into the mysteries of the human body's evolution, exploring how we have changed over millions of years. We will explore the intriguing world of vestigial structures, those remnants of our past that still exist within us. We will also discuss how technology might be shaping the future of human anatomy, potentially guiding our next evolutionary steps. Vestigial structures are like echoes of the past. They are remnants of organs or structures that were functional in our ancestors. Over time, these structures have lost their original purpose. They have become smaller or less functional. Some examples of vestigial structures in humans include wisdom teeth, the vomeronasal organ, the tailbone, and the palpebral fissure. These structures might seem unnecessary today. However, they serve as reminders of our evolutionary journey. They provide valuable insights into the pressures and adaptations that shaped our species. Studying these structures helps us understand our place in the grand scheme of life. Wisdom teeth are a common example of vestigial structures in humans. These are the third molars that typically erupt in early adulthood. Our ancestors used wisdom teeth to grind down tough plant matter. Their diets were rich in fiber and required powerful chewing. Today, our diets are much softer. We have developed tools and cooking methods that make food easier to chew. As a result, wisdom teeth are often impacted or fail to erupt properly. They can cause pain, infection, and other dental problems. In many cases, wisdom teeth are surgically removed. The vomeronasal organ, or VNO, is a structure found in the nasal cavity of many animals. It is responsible for detecting pheromones, chemical signals that animals release to communicate with each other. The role of the VNO in humans is still debated. Some scientists believe that it is non-functional in humans. Others suggest that it might still play a role in detecting certain pheromones. However, its function in humans, if any, is much reduced compared to other animals. Section 5. The tailbone, a remnant of our primate ancestry. The tailbone, or coccyx, is another example of a vestigial structure. It is a small triangular bone at the base of the spine, made up of several fused vertebrae. This structure is a remnant of the tail that our primate ancestors used for balance and locomotion. Humans and other apes have lost their tails over the course of evolution. This is because we developed other adaptations for balance and locomotion, such as bipedalism. However, the tailbone still serves as an attachment point for muscles and ligaments, playing a role in supporting the pelvic floor. Section 6. The palpebral fissure, a blink into our evolutionary journey. The palpebral fissure is the opening between the eyelids. It might seem strange to consider this a vestigial structure. However, the shape and size of the palpebral fissure vary among different animals, reflecting their evolutionary history and adaptations to their environment. For example, animals that live in bright, sunny environments tend to have smaller palpebral fissures, helping to protect their eyes from damage caused by excessive sunlight. Humans, on the other hand, have relatively large palpebral fissures, allowing for a wider field of vision. Section 7. The Tech-Shaped Future. How technology might mold us. Technology is rapidly changing our world and influencing our evolution. From the way we communicate to the food we eat, technology is shaping our bodies and minds. It is fascinating to consider how technology might continue to influence our anatomy in the future. Some experts speculate that our increasing dependence on technology could lead to new physical adaptations. These adaptations might be beneficial in a tech-dominated world. However, they could also come with drawbacks. Understanding these potential changes is crucial for navigating the future of our species. Section 8. The Tech Claw, a grip on the digital world. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven society, our interaction with digital devices is more intimate and frequent than ever before. One example of a potential tech-driven adaptation is the so-called tech claw. This term refers to the unique way our hands might evolve to accommodate the constant use of smartphones and other handheld devices. This refers to the possibility of our hands and wrists evolving to better suit the use of smartphones and other devices. Imagine a future where our anatomy has adapted specifically for the digital age. With our thumbs and fingers constantly engaged in texting, scrolling, and tapping, it's conceivable that our grip and range of motion might change over time. The repetitive actions we perform daily could lead to subtle but significant changes in our hand structure. While this might seem like a far-fetched idea, it highlights the potential for technology to influence even the most fundamental aspects of our anatomy. The way we interact with our devices could drive evolutionary changes, much like how early humans adapted to their environments. Whether this particular adaptation will come to pass remains to be seen. The future is uncertain, and predicting the exact path of human evolution is a complex task. However, it serves as a reminder of the powerful and often unpredictable forces that shape human evolution. As we continue to integrate technology into our daily lives, we must consider how these tools might shape our physical and cognitive development in the long run. Section 9. The Ethical Considerations of Technological Evolution. As technology becomes increasingly intertwined with our biology, it raises important ethical considerations. For example, if we develop technologies that allow us to enhance our physical or cognitive abilities, who will have access to these technologies? Will they exacerbate existing inequalities, or could they be used to level the playing field? These are complex questions with no easy answers. However, they underscore the need for careful consideration of the potential consequences of our technological choices. We must strive to develop and utilize technologies in a way that benefits all of humanity, rather than creating new divisions or exacerbating existing ones. Section 10. The Importance of Awareness, shaping our evolutionary trajectory. As we continue to evolve alongside technology, it's crucial to be aware of the potential impacts on our bodies and minds. We should strive to use technology in a way that enhances our lives without compromising our health or well-being. This includes being mindful of our posture, taking breaks from screen time, and engaging in activities that promote physical activity and social interaction. By understanding the potential for both positive and negative impacts, we can make informed choices that shape our evolutionary trajectory in a positive direction. We can harness the power of technology to create a future where humans thrive both physically and mentally. Section 11. Conclusion. The ever-evolving human story. The human body is a product of millions of years of evolution, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of our species. Each part of our body tells a story about our journey through time, from the earliest ancestors to the modern human. Vestigial structures, such as wisdom teeth and the tailbone, offer fascinating glimpses into our evolutionary past, revealing how our bodies have changed over millennia. They remind us that we are constantly changing and adapting to our environment, a process that continues to this day. Technology is now a powerful force in shaping our evolution, influencing everything from our physical bodies to our cognitive abilities. It has the potential to drive new adaptations, both beneficial and potentially detrimental, as we integrate more with our technological creations. As we venture further into the technological age, it is crucial to be mindful of how our choices might impact our bodies and minds in the future, ensuring that we use technology to enhance rather than hinder our evolution. By understanding the forces that shape our evolution, we can make informed decisions that promote the long-term health and well-being of our species, safeguarding our future. The story of human evolution is still being written, and we have the opportunity to influence the chapters to come, guiding our species towards a future that is both prosperous and sustainable.